What is going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to Life a Day. Listen, it's been a while since I did any videos, so I am back at it. I'm doing a little improvements to my car while I'm at home. It's the 3-day weekend, so I'm able to knock some things out. Hopefully y'all checked out the last vlog. I am part of a new team now, so it's called Unforgettable VQs. So I'm part of a new team called Unforgettable VQs, and I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys tune into all my videos. We're going to be showing the squad all together, what they got going on with their cars, and so much more. So y'all need to like and subscribe and stop playing with me. But anyway, so far this is what we have. Got the carbon fiber here. Show y'all the sticker. As you see my last video, these are 20 inches Ashanti Black Label wheels, 20 by 9s. And today we're gonna knock out the chrome delete on here. And if I have enough time, we're gonna do this too. Like I said, like and subscribe. Like I said, if you see me out too, you know. So the key thing is to make sure you measure it up. I always like to go from the bottom and then peek my way up. If I can measure this right. I'm probably gonna just throw this one right now since that's the easiest spot.
What is it? 1 o'clock? Yeah. I left the house, what, 8:30?
Make sure you smooth it out.
Great time, man. You got it done. Huh? You got it done. Because of you, man. I'm about to get this far. That's all right. Take it. Take it, man. All right. Thanks, son. All right. Take care.
Let me see.
Feeling
Alright, so I'm gonna show you if I look away from it. I think this is done. Looks better all black. Definitely does. Alright, so the next one we're on to is the back. Make sure you wipe it down again. It's the same process you would do if you would do the trimming of your windows. I always put it on first and then I use the heater gun. I always try to get to the closest to the edge from the bottom and to the pointer point. Now this ain't gonna be perfect. Make sure you don't get your hands too much on the sticky part. And if it's too short at one end, use the heat gun and stretch it out a little bit. I have made the mistakes to stretch it out too much and it will break it, so don't do that. But you do have a little wiggle room if everything isn't exactly how you want it. You can always stretch it out a little bit. I always try to get as close as I can before I use the stretching method. Because that puts wear and tear on it. So like, I'm gonna try it again. It takes a lot of patience to do this. Thankfully, these are one of my days off and I have been relaxed. See, that's close. So yeah. Make sure you don't put it all the way on. Wiggle it in first to make sure that's where you want to place it. This is a quick project you can do at home instead of paying everybody to do this shit. Pay people that you can't do on your own. Certain people don't want to do this because it's like, hey, like my car is a show car, etc. But for me, I'm gonna take this risk and go ahead and try it. At least learn how to do it. So this is the final view of it. Not too bad. Of course, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you guys for tuning in.